Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of bilateral large hemorrhagic ovarian cyst. Hemorrhagic ovarian cyst is an adnexal mass formed because of occurrence of bleeding into a follicular or corpus luteum cyst. Hemorrhagic cysts are commonly seen in clinical practice because hemorrhage into a cyst is usually painful, triggering the patient to consult her physician. The patient is a 17 years aged female, unmarried. You can see the urinary bladder, uterus, and a cyst in this view. Many radiologists use the term complex to describe the cyst other than totally clear simple cyst. However, many benign entities are complex, such as dermoid cyst, endometriomas, hemorrhagic cyst, and cyst adenomas. Now you can see a cyst having a turbid fluid in its interior along with a smaller semi-solid portion. Now the other cyst is also having turbid fluid with multiple internal opacities. Now each ovary shows a cyst. You can see both the cysts. Having hemorrhagic ovarian cyst is not necessarily a problem. Many times these cysts do not cause symptoms and are often found during a pelvic examination that is done for another reason. If the cyst is small or medium sized and is not causing you any pain or other symptoms, then your doctor will likely to recommend you to monitor it. Hemorrhagic or ruptured ovarian cyst is the most common cause of acute pelvic pain in an afebrile premenstrual woman presenting to the emergency room. This can occur during pregnancy also. Now you can see both the ovarian cysts, and both are the hemorrhagic, having multiple internal opacities in their interior due to the occurrence of bleeding. Hemorrhagic cysts are normally in ovulatory women, usually resolving within 8 weeks. They can be quite variable in appearance, however, and can be confused with ovarian endometriomas. You can see both the ovaries have a cyst each. In addition to pain, symptoms of the ruptured ovarian cyst can include bleeding from the vagina, nausea, vomiting, tenderness in the pelvic and abdominal area, weakness, feeling faint, fever, and increased pain while sitting. You can see both the cysts are more than, the one is 7.4 into 6.9 centimeter, the other is 6.6 into 6.0 centimeter diameter. Now again you can see both the cysts. Ovarian cysts are fluid-filled sacs that can develop in or on the person's ovaries. The cysts are usually benign, which means they are not cancerous and often clear up without treatment. Having a cyst in one ovary doesn't necessarily affect one's chances of becoming pregnant. which is why doctors will typically only investigate further if a couple has been trying to conceive naturally, though regular intercourse for a year, but have not yet been successful in getting pregnancy. Again, you can see the hemorrhagic ovarian cysts. This is the right ovarian cyst, and this one is the left ovarian cyst. Cervicitis is also visible. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.